What's up, guys? In this episode, I want to talk to you about some of the incredible results that our clients inside the Woodworking Business Accelerator program are experiencing. So hang around, check this out. It's going to be worth listening to, I promise. Let's dive in. Well, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the podcast. And in today's episode, it's kind of a unique episode. It's different than what I normally do. Normally, I'm giving you guys a bunch of tips, a bunch of advice. I want to just share some of the incredible wins that we're seeing inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program because it's exciting. We have over 22 people inside of that program right now. These are woodworkers all across North America, United States, Canada, that are crushing it. And so we're seeing them scale. We're seeing them get incredible results. And I want to share some of the stories of some of our 8 or 10 clients real fast, some that have been with me for a long time and some that just started this last month. And so inside the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, you're going to get multiple things. So number one, we're going to license our photos and videos to you. So if you come to me and you want to grow your custom furniture company, let's say your tables, benches, and chairs that you sell, but you only have 3 or 4 designs. Well, at the snap of a finger, once you join the program, you're going to have upwards of 20 designs that you can now market and sell off of. And then once you make your own version of it, we're going to replace our photos with your photos. Okay. But this is going to allow you to instantly offer 5 times as many products, right? That alone is going to allow you to scale. Okay, that's number one. Number two is we're going to act as an advertising agency on your behalf. So we're going to run your ads for you and get you great results. I'm going through here and you're going to hear all these incredible stories of how much money these guys are spending in ads and what type of sales they're getting as a result of it. But I promise you, it's pretty life-changing, okay? And then lastly, you're going to become a part of our community, which in my personal opinion is the single greatest woodworking business community in the world today. You're not going to find another place online where if you are a woodworking business owner that sells custom furniture, that you're going to come in and be able to find the specific advice and wisdom of not just me, but also the 22 other people inside the program right now at this moment. Now, you might be stepping into this and you might be a step ahead of them, but most likely they're going to be a step ahead of you. And any question that you have at all along the way, you're going to be able to drop that in one of our communication channels. And within 5 to 10 minutes, you're getting really clear, direct answers for your questions, which allows you to just move so fast. And along with that, we have live coaching calls. We have our online program, our online video course. It really has been an incredible resource to all these clients. And I want to share their stories with you. So I'm just going to go through here and kind of talk about each of these guys. So you've already heard me talk about Keith and Alexa. They were my first 2 clients. They have both been with me now for over a year, and they have 5x, 6x their business from when they started. Alexa was doing $6,000 or $8,000 per month. Now she's averaging around $25,000 per month ish, 20 to 25,000. Depends on the month. She has some good months and some bad months. She has some months where it's 40, 45. She has some months where it's 15 or 18,000, but it's been pretty crazy. Keith, he's now averaging the same. He's averaging around $20,000 to $25,000 per month. They have commercial spaces. They have employees. The year that they started with me last year, they didn't have any of that. They have scaled in an incredible way. I have episodes where I talk about them specifically. I'll post links up here to those. But the next client I want to talk about is a good friend of mine. He's an incredible guy. His name is Trey Haskett, and he owns Fellowship Furniture in Saltillo, Mississippi. And so Trey is a full-time pastor, but he's trying to grow his woodworking business. He's been with me about 9 or 10 months now. And since joining the program, I'm just going to give you quick overviews of these numbers. We'll put them on the screen as well. We've spent $9,113 in ad spend for him, and we've generated $77,846 in sales, which is an 8.5x return on ad spend. So for every dollar that Trey has spent through advertising, he has generated $8.5 in revenue. Now, just a quick disclaimer on that. Trey had his Facebook page hacked. He lost his Facebook page. He had all these reviews, all these followers, and he had to start over brand new about 5 months ago. That totally slowed us down, but he's back up and running and doing great. Super proud of Trey. Okay. The next guy that I want to talk about is Tyler Shaheen, who owns Family Furniture Company. And now this guy not only owns this incredible furniture company, but he is a huge content creator in the woodworking space. And so he has a huge Instagram following, huge TikTok following. But since he joined the program, when he came to me, his revenue from his content was a little inconsistent. So he wanted to establish some more consistent revenue channels throughout what he could do, right? And so I helped him actually launch Family Furniture Company. That wasn't even an entity yet. So we created a new LLC. And since joining the program, he spent $4,200 in ad spend, and we've generated over $73,000 in sales, which is a 17.46x return on ad spend. So for every dollar that Tyler has given me, we have generated over $17.46. So $1 into $17.46. Incredible results, right? Stephen Gomez, he owns Hermanos Woodworking Woodworks up around Chicago. Since joining the program, we've spent just over $5,100 in ad spend for him, and we've generated $57,900 in sales, which is an 11.35x return on ad spend. Every dollar put in has generated $11.35. So I just want you to think for a second, what would it look like if for every dollar you spent in advertising, you generated $8 or $11 or $17? These are the results that we're getting, okay? Zach Moss, this guy is an incredible guy. He's up in Canada, and he specializes in whiskey barrel furniture. Since joining our program, we've spent just over $3,000 in ads for him, and we've generated $26,114 in sales, which is an 8.7x return on ad spend. Keaton Reynolds, this guy is super cool. He owns KMR Woodworks, and he's young. I think he's 21, 22 years old. He just graduated from college last month. He already had some experience. He had been doing it for a while, but he was ready to scale when he stepped into the program. He joined 2 months ago, and so in April, this past month, we spent $500 in advertising for him, and we generated $13,713.15 in sales, which is a 27.4x return on ad spend. Cody Harmon, he owns Natural State Furniture Company up in Arkansas. He's one of my best friends growing up in high school. We've probably played 100 rounds of golf together. He's one of my all-time best friends, but he was ready to quit his job. He was tired of working at the same old job that he'd had for the last 10 or 15 years. And since he's joined the program in the last 2 months, we've spent $1,000 on ads, and he's generated $13,153 in sales, which is a 13.15x return on ad spend. This next story is really cool to me. One of the things that I love about the Woodworking Business Accelerator program is that it actually enables people to leave their full-time jobs. If you join this program and it works, you really can leave your full-time job. So Todd Cooper down in Salado, Texas, in his second month inside the program, he was able to walk away from his full-time truck driving job so he could be at home with his family more and pursue his dream of becoming a full-time woodworker. And this is what it's looked like. And so this past month, we spent $500 in ads, and he generated $5,792 in sales, which is an 11.6x return on ad spend. So $1 in, $11.60 out in revenue. Josh Dowd, this guy's over in Georgia, incredible guy. His second month in the program, he really wanted to scale, so he gave me a lot more money to spend in ads. So this last month, we spent $1,200 in ads, and we generated $21,087 in revenue, which is a 17.6x return on ad spend. Got two more for you I want to share. I know these can be kind of monotonous, but I want to share these guys, their face, their business, their story, and the results that they're actually seeing, okay? So Nate Yule, his very first month inside the program, this last month, okay? We spent $500 in ads, and we turned that into $9,019 in sales. So $500 in ads, over $9,000 in revenue, which is an 18x return on ad spend, okay? And then my last guy here, his name is Tom Monroe, and he owns West Mill Designs. He's a pretty established woodworking business owner that came to me, was doing really well through Etsy, but wanted to focus more locally. And so his very first month in the program this last month, we spent $500 in ads, and he generated over $14,786 in sales as a result of the leads that came through those ads, which is a 29.5x return on ad spend. I say all this just to say, if you are on the fence or you've been watching, you've been contemplating joining the Woodworking Business Accelerator program, you should seriously consider it. You should check it out, because this is something that's kind of sweeping across the woodworking business atmosphere, I guess, is that we are taking on clients at an astronomical rate and getting them a ton of success. And so also, here's the kicker on this. Once we get somebody in your area, we lock that area down. So we're not going to take more than one client within a 150-mile square radius, okay? So we want to make sure that every client that we get has great results, and we're not competing with other people inside the program, okay? So once somebody has a location, has a portion of their state, has a big metropolitan area, we are not taking on any other clients inside of that area. So if you are ready to scale, if you're watching this, if you're checking this out, and if you're in Canada or the US, ready to take your woodworking business to the next level, be sure to check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. I'm going to post a link to it down below. If you have any questions about it, if you want to know more, put a comment below, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I would love to hop on a call. I hop on calls every single day with woodworkers to see if it's a good fit. And I tell everybody on that call, listen, I don't like high pressure sales tactics. I don't like when people do it to me. So I'm not going to do it to you. This really is a call to see if there's a good fit. And if it is, man, that's awesome. And if not, that's okay too. I would love to visit with you. If you want to check it out, let me know below. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.